Hey guys, welcome to the Elementor Pro widget tutorial. In today's video, we'll show you how to customize the reading timer widget. To begin with this widget, you have to have existing content on the page. After that, drag and drop the widget to the place where you want to show the reading timer. The timer shows a by default 2-minute time. From the options, you will have to put a CSS ID in the section ID field. Then copy and paste the ID inside the CSS ID field for the main section of the article. With this, the timer will be linked with the content part and count the words inside. Within the option, you can select the average word per minute value to increase or decrease the timer. Also, you can customize the minute text and second text. For style, you can edit the timer text color, background color, border, and more. Also, you can customize the font style with the typography option as well as change the timer alignment from below. Once done with the customization, you can see the page in preview mode to see the reading timer showing an estimated time required to finish reading the article. That's how you can use the reading timer widget. The widget can be used for individual pages or archive pages to show content reading time. That's all for now. Hope this video helped. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorials and tips. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.